Yeah, still no paint. But just a second and wait. Alright, well, we are on paint, and obviously because we got the hood over me, it's in paint as well. So everything's painted on this truck. You can see a little bit of it probably, but you're not going to see all of it yet. I just got to say, this engine in here, yeah, I mean, it looks amazing. So, with the backdrop of this paint now. All these new parts, the brake booster, the clutch cylinder, the brake lines, the steering shaft, everything down in here just really pops. And I'm really excited to see that next step. We get a little more in here, get some wiring done, which is really the big thing right now is getting this wiring done. So we will we'll check out how that wiring is going.
All right, so checking back in with us, we got our wiring started and everything now. We're using what's called a painless installation kit. So very helpful. This is actually my first time doing a full start from scratch, basically wire everything start to finish. So definitely been a learning experience, but these books and everything really make life easy. And it just comes down to taking your time and just making sure that you do everything as nice and clean as possible. Make sure that each and every wire is pinned correctly and in the current location. um, you know Last thing you want to do is try to track down wiring issues after everything's all said and done. So yeah, it's coming along pretty nicely, and should be finishing everything up here real soon.
All right, so chassis wiring is getting pretty darn close to done. You can see, Tyler's sitting there working on it. This thing's getting really close, but I want to point out one last thing of the wiring, and we'll probably show it again in the reveal video, but LED backup camera light, and then of course I said backup camera. Yes, 50 Chevys did not have backup cameras. This customer, was one of the first things that they requested, was a backup camera, and he wants it constantly running. So as soon as you turn the key on, the camera will turn on, the screen will turn on, and he'll just have a constant kind of rear view mirror, but down here. And then you can tell too, if you do know your these Chevy 3100s, these early 50s, this is not the correct bumper for a 1950. This is actually, I think, like a 52 or 53. Don't quote me on that on the spot on the video. But what we did was we used this because it has this little arch here, and it kind of just adds some cool looks back here, and kind of breaks it up a little bit. But then also it allows for this license plate bracket to be held a little closer. He still has access to his hitch here, but just kind of want to point out cool little finishing touches back here. We're excited to kind of get all this going and turn it all on, and cannot wait for his face. But speaking of that, can't wait for your face to see the reveal video. That'll be the next video you see of this truck, and we're like more than excited, to show you guys. So come back probably a month or so once we get it all done, get it all filmed and everything, and we hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Boom. Nailed it.